I waked up this morning and as usual, I said my morning prayer with my family, then went ahead to start bringing out my market. At that point, I was bothered with my thoughts. What am I going to cook for the house? There's nothing at home as I thought. So I don't know that we have yam at home. Not when I start complaining. I don't know what to cook today. There's nothing at home. My daughter ran to me, Mommy, she aging now. That is, Mommy cooked yam. I said, okay, so we have yam here, right? And then I dive into the kitchen and start preparing porridge yam. First thing first, I went by peeling my yam to the smallest pieces of my choice. Then I went ahead to place the pot I want to use in cooking on the fire. Then I went in with 1.5 cup of water I feel will be enough to cook my porridge. My friends, the pile of clothes that are packed in my house can cover a full room. I decided to start washing it batch by batch, starting with the whites, which I soaked last night, and this morning start washing it little by little while I was also cooking. The reason why those clothes are being piled up that much is because the rate my children dirty their clothes. You know, our house is not yet furnished, so any little thing body their clothes are so dirty, and when they are dirty, definitely I'm going to change their clothes. The clothes they wore in the morning is not what they wear in the evening when they want to sleep, so I normally change them 2 times. And when I don't have that time, seriously, I don't have that time to start washing every day. The burden will be so much. So whenever I have the strength, the time to do that, I wash the clothes. So that is why it looks like the clothes are piling much. So when I placed my yam into the pot, I went ahead to set my fire to bring enough flame, then went in with my onion, oil, my pepper mixture, crayfish and garlic, also my bonga fish. Then I covered it to cook for a while before bringing it down. Then went on to place the pot of water on the fire. Then I went ahead to dish out. So come and join me. After we are done eating, I went ahead to start washing the white I soaked earlier. At the point where I was washing, so many thoughts were running into me that, Madam, you've reached the point of home assistant. At the other thought, my niece have been thinking to carry to stay with me, and because of the way things are with us, I have not gone to carry her. I think it's time to go carry her, but still thinking I should leave her for now because things are not yet in good shape. And the other thought said, it's even better you get a washing machine. If you get a washing machine, it will be easy. You don't need someone to assist you in anything. Just when you have a washing machine, 1 2 3, everything is set. Oh God, the great provider, provide for me. And this other batch of clothes I soak in here, not till tomorrow I can't come and kill myself. When I was done rinsing the whites, I went ahead to spray them on the rope and took my bath, bathed the cake, and that was it. Thanks for watching. Bye.